An FIR has been registered in the alleged theft of donations at the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, naming 8 individuals. 2 have been arrested while 6 others have been taken into custody. The case has been filed under the provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita following directions from the Uttar Pradesh government. The action follows a preliminary report by a 3-member SIT constituted on June 14th at the request of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir Trust and submitted to Uttar Pradesh Additional Chief Secretary Sanjay Prasad. The SIT found discrepancies in the accounting of gold, silver jewelry and precious stones donated by devotees, with several office bearers unable to explain the inventory and storage. The probe has since been expanded to include land purchases and the procurement of building materials. VHP International President Alok Kumar demanded the immediate registration of an FIR and a fast-track court with daily hearings. Media reports have also claimed that the resignation of trust officials Champat Rai, Alok Nishai and Vinod Nishai, though Alok Kumar said he was unaware of any such resignations. Opposition leaders intensified their criticism. Congress MP Tariq Anwar alleged a cover-up. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav accused the BJP of delaying the probe, and Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal announced a visit to the Ram Temple on June 26th. The controversy began with allegations by former SP MLA Pawan Pandey, who claimed misappropriation of 7 to 7.5 crore rupees in donations. A petition has also been filed in the Supreme Court seeking a CBI-monitored investigation into alleged financial irregularities at the trust. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.